Make an anterolateral incision in line with the fourth metatarsal. Use a tapered end cob elevator to create a submuscular plane for future plate insertion. Slide the plate under the soft tissue using the insertion handle. Once the plate is positioned, place a 3.5 mm cortical screw in the oblong hole proximal to the fracture. This will temporarily secure the plate to the tibia. Place 4 K-wires in the most distal row to secure the plate and to also check the plate position. On lateral fluoroscopy, the K-wires should be above the central portion of the plafond and parallel to the joint line. The plate can be adjusted by loosening the 3.5 mm screw in the oblong hole and fine-tuning it proximally or distally if needed. A 2.7 mm cortical screw is placed distally to bring the plate down to the bone. Use the drill guide and 2 mm drill bit. Measure and place a 2.7 mm screw. Screw the red laser marked 2.7 mm locking drill guide into the appropriate hole. Use the calibrated 2.0 mm drill and measure the length while drilling. Place a 2.7 mm locking screw in all the necessary distal holes. Use the yellow marked 3.5 mm locking screw drill guide and the 2.5 mm drill. Measure the depth off the laser line on the drill bit and insert the appropriate screw. Once distal fixation is completed, place a 3.5 cortical locking or cancellous screw in the proximal portion of the plate. Remove the BB tack and add any additional fixation as needed. A straight or rim-style plate can be added. Use fluoroscopy to make sure screws do not violate the articular surface. If necessary to stabilize the medial malleolar fragment, 2 partially threaded 4 mm cannulated screws can be placed either percutaneously or through a small direct medial incision.